The Bazar Museum house belongs to a woman named Sultan Beygum Shojaei, one of the relatives of Naser-Aldin-Shah Qajar. The mansion of Sultan Beygum Shojaei is about 200 years old and has a very beautiful architecture. Architecture is Plani. It means there is a yard in the center and buildings and rooms are located around it. To enter the house, you have to go up 13 steps to enter the yard. The main part of the building is the Hall of Mirrors, where the artistry of Iranian architects is very eye-catching. Mirror work throughout the room, along with beautiful paintings on the wall and the presence of two winged deflectors, which played the role of a cooling system at that time, are the wonderful features of the Hall of Mirrors.